guys, welcome back to my channel. The high season has officially begun in Thailand. That is from November 1st of 2025 to April end of 2026. Now during this time guys, Thailand will be at its peak in terms of tourism, in terms of number of visitors visiting Thailand. So what is the current situation in Thailand? Now there's already been 2 days passed by, November 1st and November 2nd, and there has been a lot of people who have landed in different parts of Thailand airport and have connected with them over the last few days, and I'm making this video on November 3rd of 2025. Usually I make my videos on the weekend and schedule it for Monday, but today I thought let's wait for the updates with the people whom I know, my subscribers, my friends, whoever have gone to Thailand in these 2 days and they've landed in Phuket airport, Chiang Mai airport, Bangkok airport, and also Phuket airport. So these 4 places they've landed, and what is the current situation. So let me go through one by one. But very importantly guys, the number one thing that you have to remember is the attractions. Now the attractions is going to get busier and busier, and you have to book your attractions, you have to book your tours when in India. Now you can contact with the local operator and then buy, but the problem is the links I have added in the description below not only gives you 100% refund, but also when there is something that happens like a rainfall or any natural calamity or anything that happens guys, you will get 100% refund. So especially with Thailand, I have got refund many times, not only in Thailand but in Singapore, Malaysia, etc. So when I went to some attraction, it rains heavily, and if you book through a local operator, you will not get any refunds. Please remember that. And weather in Thailand even during high season is very unpredictable. So I have added all those links in the description below. Please do check it out and go through and book in those links. You are eligible for 5 to 15% discount based on T&C, that is terms and conditions. So check out those links. I've added links for Chiang Mai, Phuket, Bangkok and Pattaya, everywhere guys. So check out that and book your next attraction very quickly, because it is going to get filled up very soon. And like I said, it is high season, lot of crowd are going to gather in Thailand. So before we get to the actual video guys, as you can see on my screen, 98% of you who are regularly watching my content are non-subscribers. Kindly hit that subscribe button and support my channel. So I have spoken to like around 10 to 15 people from the last 2 days. I've connected with a lot of people. I've put a lot of effort to get you this video guys. So there was a lot of rush from the last 2 days because November 1st, like I said, is high season, and there are tourists basically coming from all over the world to enjoy Thailand. So first thing that you need as an Indian passport holder is a valid passport which is 6 months valid. That is 6 months valid Indian passport with at least 2 pages blank. Now at the time of landing in Thailand, you must have 6 months of valid passport. Other than that, it would become real problem and there are chances of you being deported. Please remember that. Second thing that you have to remember that is very necessary is TDAC, that is Thailand Digital Arrival Card. Now I have seen a lot of YouTubers take 10, 20, 30 minutes to explain what is TDAC and how to fill your TDAC. I have made the same video in 5 minutes, no bullshit. Just watch this video, you will know how to fill the TDAC and your TDAC will be completed, your TDAC will be submitted. I went to Thailand just a couple of months back. I took my family and I filled their TDAC as well. So TDAC filling is very important, and you have to fill this 72 hours before your arrival to Thailand. So point number 2 done. Point number 3, sufficient funds. Now there has been a lot of discussion about sufficient funds to Thailand. About 98 out of 100 people report me that nothing was checked, but there is 1% or 0.1% chance that it might be checked guys. So always follow the rules whether they ask or not. It's like it's for your own safety guys. Now you are going on the road without helmet thinking that there's no police, but helmet is eventually for your own safety. It is not that someone is going to catch you, that's why you have to wear a helmet. Similarly, carrying funds to Thailand is very important. As per the official page, it is 10,000 Thai baht in cash, not any other currency, per person, and about 30 to 40,000 baht per family. So ensure you carry this and follow the rules and the regulations. So point number 3 complete. Point number 4, proof of accommodation. Now proof of accommodation is very important. Whether you book an Airbnb, whether you book a hotel, or whether you book a hostel, you have to show proof of accommodation for all the days that you are in Thailand. Please remember guys, this is something that has not been followed very seriously, and it has been neglected a lot. So these were the things that were asked from the last 2 days, because more the crowd, more the checking, and everything will be more. Now during the low season they might not check, but during the high season, there is a 100% guarantee that they will check. So always follow rules and regulations. Point number 4 complete. Point number 5 is return ticket or onward ticket. Now Thailand is one of the hottest destinations for Indians. Similarly, Malaysia, Singapore and Philippines are also hottest destinations, and Philippines being visa free. So if you're planning a trip from Bangalore to anywhere in India, I'm taking an example of Bangalore to Bangkok and Bangkok to Philippines and Philippines to India, then you have to show all the onward and return ticket from Philippines as well. Please remember, this has to be followed. I know this is being neglected a lot, so please adhere to this and follow the rules and regulations. The next thing that is not talked about much, guys, is travel insurance. Now travel insurance to any country, any foreign country, is for your own safety. So always buy travel insurance. It will cost you around 500 to 600 rupees. You can buy ICICI Lombard, Tata AG, anything. I usually go for Tata AG. There's Acco as well. There's lot of brands, guys. Just compare everything. Whatever you feel is right, just go for it. I usually go for Tata AG because their app in the mobile is very user friendly and it doesn't take much time for me to get the insurance from Tata AG. It is not a sponsored, guys. You can, again I'm saying, it is not a sponsored video. Tata AG will not sponsor a small YouTuber like me. So I'm just giving this based on my recommendation and based on my suggestion. That's why I always tell the users to always do the research on your own, compare whichever is the cheapest, see the Google reviews and then only book. Don't get influenced by any social media influencer. Take your own decisions and save your own money. So next important thing is, where do you have to exchange the currency? Now to exchange the currency or to get your SIM card or to do several things in Thailand, I've made dedicated video, guys. Please do check out these videos. If you have US dollars, you can exchange Thai baht in Thailand. Where to exchange, I've made a video. If you want to get a SIM card, which is the best SIM card for Indian travelers, I've made a video. Please check it out. If you have an eSIM, if you have an iPhone and if you don't have a physical slot, you can buy an eSIM. Check out my video. I've done all quality videos explaining what is the best for you guys. Please do check out these videos. And there is one more sad news, that is Thailand is in mourning state right now because of the tragic incident that happened a few days back. You already know that. So there is a few rules and regulations that you have to follow in Thailand because Thailand is in mourning state right now. So please respect the locals. Please respect whatever they're going through and also follow rules and regulations. I've repeated 4 times in this video because it is my responsibility to repeat so many times because I've gone to Thailand 8 times. I always followed the rules in all my visits. So always take care, guys. Always follow rules and regulations. Do not argue with the locals. Do not fight with the locals or do not get into any kind of clash with any locals in Thailand. Please adhere to the rules and also whatever you're doing, try to be genuine and try to be honest. And what are those rules and regulations you have to follow because Thailand is in a mourning state? I've attached a link in the description below. Otherwise this video will become too much. Few entertainment industries will be closed and there is a lot of things, guys. Again, this video will become too lengthy, so check out the link in the description below. You can have all the information. I hope this video was very informative, guys. If you want cheap flights to Thailand, I've made a video on that as well. From Bangalore to Bangkok, you're getting Air India Express for less than 15,000 including baggage, which is a huge competition to Thai Asia. So I hope all the information that I've given in this video is very helpful. I'll catch you guys in my next video.